Welcome to Uconnect Services, a new range of services created to support you in the daily management of your vehicle wherever you are. With My Remote, you can find and control your vehicle at all times, and with My Car, you can monitor and take care of it. The Remote Operations feature allows you to interact with your vehicle without being close to it. For example, you can command the doors lock and unlock through the My Uconnect mobile app or smartwatch, wherever you are. If you cannot find your parked car, Vehicle Finder can locate it on the My Uconnect mobile app, smartwatch or web portal. Vehicle Finder can even launch pedestrian navigation on your device maps and flash the vehicle's lights in case of crowded parking or low visibility. The My Car feature provides you through the My Uconnect mobile app or web portal with real-time information on the state of your vehicle, like fuel level, tyre pressure, odometer and oil life. In-vehicle notifications show you important messages and notifications directly on your vehicle's radio display. For example, service messages for predictive maintenance and service subscription,